Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the July 2021 mystery. This kit is no longer available, so if you sign up for next month, you will get a whole different kit. I will leave next month's sign up date down below. If you're interested in this kit, I would definitely check out the Facebook buy sell trade group because sometimes they are posted on there. So let's go ahead and get into this month's mystery. I'm super excited to show you guys. It is so pretty. So let's go ahead and get into it. So let me go ahead and show you guys the ultimate kit first. So this is a fall theme with a very cool toned colors. I love it. Let me go ahead and show you guys a little bit closer of a look. So you have a fashion there with a truck in the background, super cute picnic situation, some food that looks super delicious, and then you have the back of the hair here, which is so gorgeous. I love the red, some blankets and a lantern, a super cute little cottage, and then a little fashion flat lay there as well. And I just think this is a gorgeous fall kit. So let's go ahead and go through all of the sheets, and then we will go through the foil. So there's the full boxes, and then your sidebar box over here, the tall box, has the little puppy on the back of the truck, and I am obsessed with these colors. I love this grayish taupe color. I think it's super fun and kind of a little bit of a different color scheme for fall. You have your half boxes, your solid and pattern labels, your bottom washi with the flannel, and then I wanted to do an extra box here, which is the same in the ultimate kit and the mini, and it's just a cute little blanket with candle and pumpkin with this little foot scene, and I just thought it was super cute with the falling leaves on the side. Thought that was adorable. A little extra box there. You have the extra color, which is a gorgeous navy, and then the two extra fashion options there. And then here you have the little fox with the butterfly on its nose, as well as these super cute shoe and pumpkin little boxes there as well. Your 15mm strip and labels. I think it's such a pretty kit, and I am super excited to hear what you guys think about it. Let's go through the foil for the ultimate kit. So like I've mentioned a couple of times, it is a fun foil along with being a new design. So let's go through it. So this is a fall design. It will come to the shop in some different colors, but this is the fun option. So it's a really pretty burnt orange. I think goes really well with the kit. It will make every orange bit pop. So you have all of the full boxes here, and then some glitter headers on the side. You do get 2 of these sheets. You do get 2 sheets of the bougie boxes in the same foil color. You also get the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi page, which has the fancy headers, the deco bits, the bottom washi, and then the date numbers. And then an extra for this month is you also do get the matte freebie. So, well, the matte label sampler, but it's a freebie in this. So I thought I would add that in as well as something extra for this month. So I hope that you guys like this month's theme and the foil. I think it's super pretty. I'm trying to think of what next month is. Next month is an anytime kit, and it does have a fun foil and a bundle that's not necessarily new, but we haven't done in a mystery, I don't think yet. So then let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. The mini kit is the more affordable option, so you get the standard mini kit sizing, and then your freebie is this page here, which has the label sampler, the extra color, and then the 2 other fashion options. And then I did also add in the larger freebie for this one as well, just as a little extra there. So that is everything for this month. I hope that you guys like this month's mystery kit. I always have fun designing these, and it's crazy. I'm actually already working on the mood boards for next year, and I just feel like the mysteries just keep getting better and better, and I am trying to think outside of the box, especially with the foil. I know a lot of you guys have been really into the fun foils and new foil designs. There's a lot more coming, so I'm really excited about that. But thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.